Hi friends, here's some beach activities that you're going to need to cut out. So you're going to cut out on these squares, or you can have an adult help you. There's a ball and a pail, an umbrella and a shell, a sandcastle, and a bird. And on this page, you're going to match them to where they belong. You're going to put the umbrella here. Would you put the umbrella here? That would be kind of silly. And then you're going to say shell and shell, ball and ball. You can even say this beginning sound, ball, umbrella, sandcastle. And when you're all done with that, you can take all of your pieces and have a fun day at the beach. You can even bring in another toy to play here. So you can use all of your pieces like you're at the sand at the beach. Have fun with it, friends. Bye.